Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Xero to automate expense workflows using AI. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Xero account and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the settings menu located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Select the add-ons option from the settings menu. In the add-ons section, search for automation tools that integrate with Xero. Look for AI-driven expense workflow automation tools. Once you find a suitable tool, click on it for more details. Review the features and compatibility with your current Xero setup. Click on the Get Started or Install button for the selected tool. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between Xero and the automation tool. Input any required information to complete the integration process. After integration, navigate to the tool's dashboard. Set up your expense categories and rules according to your organization's policy. Define the parameters for automated expense approvals based on your preferences. Test the automation feature with a sample expense claim. Monitor the automation tool's performance via its analytics dashboard. Make adjustments to categories or approval workflows as needed based on feedback. Train the AI on common expense types to enhance accuracy over time. Regularly review the submitted expenses for any anomalies or errors. Stay updated with any new features or updates from the automation tool. Document any procedures or best practices for future reference. Engage with the tool's support resources for troubleshooting any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.